Alright, people, welcome to the third day of our progress in this beautiful Nomad phone project. So, after I stopped recording yesterday, I went to the Twilio website and manually checked for all the countries that support mobile phone numbers with SMS because not all of them support it. So I want to show you here. The Wi-Fi in this fucking house is shit. So maybe we have to connect to my phone. Let's go. But as you can see, we don't stop. No excuses. Come on. So yes, I had to do it manually. Just because of, there we go, Nicolas. Alright, come on, phone. So yes, I had to do it manually because I couldn't find the API way of getting countries by phone number. Like I couldn't. I just fucking couldn't. But anyways, not here. Available phone numbers. This one. So as you can see here, there is a one dual functionality, only for voice, only SMS. So then I took this list, right, and I took the ones that are generally available. I didn't take the preview ones or the beta ones, and also I didn't take the ones that require an address, because the point is for people to buy their phone number through me. Like I'm gonna be the intermediary between them and Twilio. So if I'm here and somebody buys a number that has an address requirement, I don't want to have to provide any address. So I just want phone numbers like this. For example, Sweden, mobile number, domestic only, no, and address required, no. So I only got these kind of numbers. All right, I removed the beta ones and in preview. Maybe later we're gonna add more once this is out of beta or out of preview. All right, I just added the general ones and no address and no domestic only. So this is the only list that we came up with. All right, that's it. I just did this last night, so done. And now here there is this thing, local phone numbers and mobile phone numbers. And let me just put this a little bit. So there is local phone numbers and mobile phone numbers. The only two countries that have local phone numbers are for SMS are Canada and the US. Canada has local phone numbers and United States has local as well. Local and mobile is almost the same, I think. So yeah, doesn't matter. But we need to keep in mind that United States and Canada, it's local. The rest, as you can see on this list of SMS, everything is mobile. All right, and the ones that I added are only mobile. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do on this. I think this time we're gonna go on the controllers and we're gonna do some stuff. Maybe we have to change this a little bit, but it's okay. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get the prices and we're gonna get the numbers by country. The problem is that we need to get local phone numbers and mobile phone numbers. If it's US and Canada, it has to be local. All right, so let's modify some stuff on Twilio, and we're in the price, we're in the countries. Now here we need to add one more, local, and this is a boolean, and maybe this one is gonna be false by default. And here we're gonna say local, then we're gonna do local mobile. All right, so now we know if we're looking for a local phone number or a mobile phone number. All right, cool. Okay, so here if there is a country, I am going to just get numbers data, numbers by country, comma, local. And local will be true if country is equals to US or country equals to Canada. Ka. Awesome. Now, instead of doing this, we're gonna chill out with the price. We're not gonna do the price now. I just want to see that it works. All right. Cool. All right, it's 0. I just want to make sure that I can get phone numbers. Fuck. Portugal. We're just checking that we can get access to all phone numbers. That it works to search locally and globally. Puerto Rico is giving me problems. Let's see Israel. Austria. Austria has a problem. There are no phone numbers in Austria, according to this. And Canada. United States. Alright, they all work. I don't know what the problem with Austria is. So I'm gonna go to Postman, where here I downloaded yesterday. I saved yesterday some queries. Mobile phone numbers, yeah. And Austria is 80. There are no phone numbers in Austria. Oh, the thing is that in Austria, I think that maybe in Austria, what is Austria? Austria. Mobile. No and no. Weird. Available phone numbers local? No. Mobile. Weird. By phone number. I can search here. Austria. Austria, sorry. Austria doesn't have phone numbers. Alright, let's delete Austria from the queries. And why did I delete Canada? Canada is here. Yeah. No, Australia. Why is Australia weird? Austria, bye-bye. In Australia. Why did I delete Australia? I don't remember. Let's check again. Okay. SMS enabled to true. Exclude all addresses required true. Good. Okay, we need one more and then we can keep going. Israel, it's okay, I think, yes. And I think United States also. I think Puerto Rico is the only one that's giving me issues. I don't know why. So let's go for Puerto Rico countries. Puerto Rico PR. PR is not found. PR is PR local also? Oh yes, Puerto Rico is also local. Alright. Cool. I didn't know that. So Puerto Rico is local. Yay. So I think everything works. Alright, let's see. Let's go back here. And let's look at Australia. Wait, Australia doesn't require any address, does it? Any address requirement. Okay, I think any address is okay because if you are using the numbers directly, the address should be yours. And if you're selling the phone numbers, the address should be the end customer. Oh, there's people actually doing what I want to do. Selling numbers. Reselling. I want to resell for numbers. Okay. It's okay. Australia requires me any address. Maybe I shouldn't put Australia because any address. Maybe I have to add many addresses for the phone number. Actually, that could be a fun challenge to try to maintain the addresses of the people. Recording everything good. Okay. Let's just leave it there and then we'll see. Alright. Okay, so these are the countries. And we have it. Now we don't have the price. I'm gonna get the price. The price will be very easy to get. But this price that we had before, like the way we did it before, is very bad. So yeah. I'm gonna do this as well. Okay. Let's just test. Working. Alright, let's get the price now. The price also has to come with, I think, local and global and mobile. So let's do pricing. Let's do the country is going to be AU. So when I get mobile, the price per month, and instead of putting it here, because that's stupid, I'm just gonna put it up like per month this on the views. Yoo-hoo! Alright, let's get the price. So only Puerto Rico, who else? Puerto Rico, Canada, and US, we have to get the local price here. Oh my god, it's too hot here. Okay, so Puerto Rico, US, and Canada, we have to get the local price, and the rest we have to get the mobile price. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I think this is okay, what I have here in Twilio. I just do this, and then here maybe we can extract it. You can make a function to extract this motherfucker. So price data by country, and then let's make a quick function. TS. Extract price. Local should be false. And prices. In prices is going to be an interface. Should we do an interface? All right. So we're going to go and say if local, this means that we want the local price, right? So let's do base price. No, is it base price? Current price. What's the difference between base price and current price? All right, let's go for base price. All right, so this is the answer. And if base price, if local, I want to get a number type that is local. So I'm going to get prices that filter price. And I only want the filter price that has a number type equals local. All right. I want to get the first price. And I want to return the base price. Actually, we can improve this better. Done. Puerto Rico, price 3. Portugal, how much per month? Per month, $15. All right, let's see if this is true. Portugal, Portugal, Portugal. 15, hell yeah. Okay. Switzerland, $8. Let's see. Yes, bravo. Awesome. Yay, working. Okay, read me. done, and done. Bam. Bravo. What do I say? To do done? No, it's too shitty. What do I say? Find out how to find countries with SMS and alright, so getting countries, getting numbers, whoa, and parsing prices. And then yes. Okay. Alright, what to do now? This part is not good. From anywhere, everywhere, it doesn't work. From anywhere, not everywhere. From anywhere. This part is actually not anywhere. It's actually it's actually just this these countries. Anyways, what else shall we do? Maybe I wanna make a different countries. Like instead of like the name of the country. I think, but I need to modify this a little bit. Available. I wanna show instead of PT, I wanna get the phone number. So instead of this, I wanna get a phone number, get the name. So should I do it separately or should I do it in the phone controller? Searching by country, but like pretty like country name. Instead of PT number, I want to say like Swedish number Swedish. Oh fuck no. Oh, Swedish number price per month, and then no, I'm gonna say number price per month in Sweden. No. Fuck it. Let's just not put the number price here. Done. Let's just do price per month. That's it. Price per month. Better. Not CH number price per month. Just price per month. Done. Okay. We're good. Alright. What should we do now? I think I need to, apart from this, I need to try to buy one of these phone numbers. I think that's it, no? Let's try to buy one of these phone numbers. Cool. So I'm gonna make another route. How to buy phone number? Let's see. I don't know why the documentation of Twilio is so shit. I have to make a post request to the incoming phone numbers. Incoming phone numbers, instance number purchased from Twilio. Oh, good. The incoming phone numbers list resource represents an account Twilio's phone numbers. You can post the list resource to provision a new Twilio number. To find a new number to provision, use the sub-resource available phone numbers. This we already do it. You can transfer phone numbers between Twilio accounts. Fuck that. Okay. So we need to post. What do we need to do? API Twilio accounts, my account, and then incoming phone numbers. We need to post friendly name, my company line. Oh, there's a friendly name. In this case, I guess I will save the name of the user. And then phone number, that phone number. Voice method. What the fuck is voice method? Voice URL. What is voice URL? The URL we call. Oh, that's fucking cool. The URL we call when the phone number receives a call. Oh my god, that is amazing. No, I don't want that. I want message URL. SMS URL. Hey, SMS URL. Look at that. The URL we call when the phone number receives an incoming SMS message. That is fucking cool. Okay, let's implement this bitch. So phone number doesn't require SMS method, could be a get. That's amazing. Oh, so cool. All right, so voice URL, voice method. So it doesn't require me to put any country. I was wondering if like I had to put any country, like yeah, I was wondering if I have to put any country, like any code or anything, but it looks like I don't. So here, I'm gonna do purchase. Yay. All right, and I'm gonna purchase, and let's make the controller. And you know what I want to do? I'm going to create a new one, which is going to be purchase. All right. Before I okay, let's just change this a little bit. Ah, fuck it. We're going to do design later. I was thinking maybe I do a template and later. Maybe rent is better. And here we're going to do let confirm. Oh, okay. I'm going to do something, which is I'm going to get a query. Okay. Let's make a button. No, a link. And the friendly name? No. It has to be the other name. Friendly name? No. What is the name? Friendly name no, phone number. I need the phone number. Okay, so I'm gonna make a link that goes to /rent /number dot phone number. Okay, so I click and it goes to rent this phone number. Woo! And confirmed is undefined. But if I do confirm this true. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to tell the user, like, you're about to purchase this number. Okay, but I need to tell him which country. So let's make the better URL. Okay, CH. Cool. Yay. So I'm going to ask the person, basically, you're about to buy whatever phone number. Do you want to confirm? Like, confirm. And if it's confirmed, then confirm this true. So my phone controller is my template is gonna render nothing. Okay. Confirm true. Cool. I'm using this copyright-free music because, you know. All right, I want to show the person like you want to buy the phone number this from the country this. So I think I need to fuck around a little bit here. I'm gonna make a function, get name of the country, and it will be code string, and I'm gonna just return available countries filter country dot code equals code, and then the 0. Good. And should I pass this as a middleware? No. Tak. Woohoo! Let's go back. Good. We need to price the price again, but we know how to get the price. We just want to confirm that the price is correct, so the person is okay. All right, we got it. So I'm getting the phone number. I want to know if it's confirmed, that the person said confirmed. Parameters, country code, and phone number. I'm doing the same is local bullshit. And then if confirmed, then const data, phone number, prices, await, price by country, country code, res render purchase. I'm getting if it's confirmed. I'm getting the country name with this function I made to get one country by the code, the phone number that the person wants to purchase, and the price that I'm getting from prices by country. I think I can make this better. Instead of is local like this, here on Twilio, I'm gonna make it better. So wait one sec, let's see. Let's make a function. It's better like this because I don't want to copy paste all the time. It's local, it's local, it's local. Okay, Looks like we're good. You're about to buy the phone number from Hungary. The price of this phone number is 35 per month. And now it's good. All I did was just moving the function is local here, because I don't want to have to do it everywhere on my controllers. And now I need to do try catch. Yeah, try catch it, I think. Alright, if there is an error, such as the person that does this, like changes the country name, then we go back to the first country, the first page. Alright, let's rent this number. Okay, now what happens when I confirm? Alright, if the person hasn't confirmed, we're gonna ask him to confirm, and we're gonna render confirm, country, phone number, price, blah blah blah. If it confirmed, here we're going to buy, not buy, sorry. Here we're going to buy the phone number here, and we have to say it has been purchased. As you know, I'm not doing anything with the users yet. Literally nothing with the users. I am just doing simulation. I'm gonna buy everything on my account and there is no information. Later, I think, when this is done, when I know I can get phone numbers and when I know that I can get messages and everything, I am gonna put this behind the layer of the user. But for now, we're just gonna buy the phone number, which is here. This one. Create incoming phone number. So Twilio. What does data URL encode does? This. I think I will just do this. I will send the data, and the headers will be like URL form encoded, and we'll see. Oh, defaults to post. All right, and SMS URL. We need to create a SMS URL here that will go to fuck. This is a URL that will be called every time I get a new message. So Let's leave it empty for now because we don't have an exposed IP address. That's a little bit of a pain in the ass. And then when we have a real domain name, we will add one. I hope I can change it manually later. I think that's all I have to do. Just data, phone number, friendly name, purchase from number phone. All right. Now it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes of this. I am going to pause and I am gonna recharge my Twilio account because my Twilio account needs to have money so I can buy shit. I'm gonna do this on the next video. No, on the next cut, but I'm gonna pause because I'm gonna recharge it. I need to go to the toilet and I'm gonna drink some water. So I will see you soon. All right, hello, welcome back. Let's keep going. So I think we're done with this API, whatever. I'm just gonna try to buy it first. Oh no, fuck it, let's just buy it for real. I was thinking maybe I buy it with Postman, but fuck it, let's just try. I'm gonna buy an American phone because I wanna only pay one. I wanna pay only $1. I don't wanna pay more dollars. All right. So this is what we got. Let's test it. All right. So in phone controller here, when the person runs the phone number, if it's not confirmed, then we know what we need to do. We need to confirm. But if he confirms, then we're gonna buy it here. Okay. And here we're also gonna try and catch. Okay. The difference is here in the catch, we're gonna find an error. Error will be could not buy phone number. All right. But in try, we're going to try to buy that phone number. And I'm scared. Let's go. Buy phone number. So let's do it. We're gonna do buy phone number. It's imported. Awesome. This is asynchronous. So we're gonna do await const data. What is the response though? Account SID, address requirements, API version, SMS fallback, URI, voice fallback, blah blah blah. So that'll be successful, I guess. Let's go. By phone number, and the number is phone number. And console log data. Here we go. If I refresh this, I should buy this number. So let's do it. There was an error because it rendered this with an error, I think. If error couldn't buy phone number. All right, so this is failing. I don't know why it's failing. I think it's failing because of this. Definitely. But let's just console log the error. Did or area code is required. What? The phone number is a string. Yes. Did or area code is required? Why? Phone number is not being passed. Phone number is not being passed. Why? Phone number is not being passed. I fucking hate this data URL encode because I don't know. I don't know how to translate that into oh no, this is on the URL. Fucking retard. I bet you. So we actually need to do this. Params, I guess. Yeah. Oh shit. My computer's about to die. Fuck. Friendly name nomad phone number, and then phone number is going to be this. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna try to find out data URL in code. What is the equivalent of this? Let's do this. Params. Refresh. What? Phone number, by phone number. Phone controller, by phone number, phone number. Let's try to buy it manually. Oh, it bought it. X form URL encoded. It bought it. With Postman. Oh shit, I had my microphone on. Sorry. With Postman, it bought it. Status in use. What? Post. It bought it. So all I have to do is send this phone number form URL encoded. So it has to be data, headers, content type, application, form URL encoded. Why doesn't this work? Phone number, post, account API, yes. Content type, application. So it bought it. I just bought it. A post. I just bought it. I don't know what this one is not working. Headers, data, body. No, it's data. No, data. Yeah. Account API. Post. Oh no. Wait. Oh no. Data is here. But Axios post, incoming phone numbers, and then data is the second one, and then configuration is the third parameter. Fuck, that's why. Anyways, we bought it with the API. So let's go to Twilio console. Oh, this is the one I just bought. Is it? 1760. 1760. Hey, I just bought it. Can I like get rid of it? I don't want it anymore. Yeah, you can release this number. And look, I can do messaging. So when a message comes in, I can run a function. Cool. Or I can run a webhook. Better. Alright. And the friendly name is fucked. Capabilities, voice, fax, SMS, blah blah blah. Alright, and I think I just got $1 on my account. Let's buy another phone number. Motherfucker. Why are you not working? I mean, we know that it's working, that the URL is correct, and that we can buy shit there. Axios post. I'm posting this, data this. I post to this URL. This is the data. And this is the headers. Let's try this bullshit. Phone number. Why is not sending phone number? Why? Content type form URL encoded. Why not? Maybe phone number should be URL encoded. Alright, I'm searching this beach and I don't understand why it doesn't work. Some people had the same problem. Post URL, yes. Data, yes. This data 1, data 2, whatever, and config. And config is content type application www. Okay, URL encoded. And let's refresh. And it didn't fucking buy it. Why? I don't get it. Incoming phone numbers. Number should be number. Number is a string, isn't it? Phone number, yes, phone number. And this area code is required. I don't understand that shit. Params. This. Maybe this way? Query string. Stringify. No, I don't want to have to improve query string. QS library? Fuck the QS library. Stringify. Should we stringify our parameters? Now data should be let's see if this works. Motherfucker. Oh, now the sound is gone. Microphone is gone, so shitty sound from now on. I think the problem is the encoding of the number. So there are two functions, encode URI and encode URI component. Encode URI, and in this case, I want to paste this phone number. But if I do encode URI component, it gives me this, and I think this is what I want, because I think this plus is fucking me. So what I'm gonna do is this encode URI component, encode URI component, and here I was testing some shit. Data, and that's it. This, I think it should work. I think. Now we come here, we refresh. Come on, motherfucker. Phone number encode URI component. I want to console log data. Phone number, done. Friendly name, it's okay. Why doesn't it work? I'm gonna kill myself. No, you cannot do this. You see, this is the data. Friendly name, phone number, and it's encoded. Why not? Phone number, data, phone number, friendly name. Phone number. Can data be one string? Data maybe is one fucking string, one very long string. Is that possible? No way. We go. Fuck!
What happened?
Can't do something and it must be so easy.
Oh.
One second. We go? What time?
Now.
Okay, I can't go.
You cannot?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I'm not finished.
You're not hungry? Come on. We come back.
Fuck!
We go and come back quickly.
I'm gonna go eat lunch and I see you people later.
Bye bye.
Alright, so I've just been Googling while I was having lunch, and there is a known bug that is that Axios cannot send posts with data on the nodeJS backend. So for this, we need to use something called query string. So I just Googled that and it worked. Query strings. Strings? Is it strings or string? Query string. Query string from query string. And now here we are going to do query string that stringify this. All right. And here I'm going to console log the error because the error message, I don't know what that is. And you will see. Let's refresh. And we still have an error, but it says that it's not available. So at least finally it's getting there. Now the reason why it's not available, I don't know why. Maybe somebody bought it already. So it's not available. We need to search again and buy another phone number. So let's rent this one. Let's try to get it. And confirm. And it works. Look at that. It's working. If we go back to my phone numbers, if I refresh, look at that. Purchased from Nomad Phone. We got it, baby. We got it. and we know that this one is SMS. Awesome. All right, now we need to reply to something. So if there is an error, I am gonna say error message. Okay, because it could be like it's not available or whatever. Okay, but if it's available, if there's data here, as you can see here, purchased from Nomad Phone, then I will just say a phone number that you've purchased. Maybe not, maybe we shouldn't. If it's enabled, maybe we shouldn't. I mean, if we bought it, then we shouldn't just render purchase. Let's go somewhere else. Res redirect. Let's go account. Let's make one more new folder. New file. Sorry, I'm gonna make a new file called account router, because now we're gonna go to our account. Now that we bought it, we can go to our account, and the point now is that we should get this phone number. As you can see here, there is an SID, which is, I guess, the phone number ID. Let me see. Phone number, string SID. Yeah, SID is an incoming phone number that is created to identify the resource. All right, so we can get the phone numbers by that. Let's come here, and this ID is here. Sweet. All right, so that will be later when we start doing database stuff. Right now we're doing nothing, and we're going to redirect to account. Now account is going to have a new file, account router, and I'm going to just see all the numbers that I have I bought. All right, let's make a new file, account puck, and here I want to do erase render account, and account will be all right. Now here what we need to do is to redirect to account. So we're going to go to /account, phone router. Let's copy this, paste it here. It should be account router. All right, and let's create account controller. Yeah. Session phone router, account router. All right, so that means that I'm gonna go to account when I buy the phone number. Now let's make a big to do here. to do make flash message saying success, and here to do make flash message saying error. And instead of error here, we will redirect the person back to their home page, but we're gonna say that country will be this. So for example, if I want to buy a phone number in the US, but for some reason that number becomes unavailable, I want to redirect the person back to the home, back to the home. Is it home? Yes, back to the home with the country that they have been trying to purchase. So that will be country code. And here I'm gonna make flash messages saying everything's cool or there is an error, sorry about that. The same here, I guess. Yeah, here. To do make flash message, to do make flash message. Cool. Alright, so now if I buy a phone number, I'm gonna be redirected to /account. If there is no errors, of course. In this case, /account. Alright, here are all the phone numbers that you have rented. Awesome. Okay, so here we need to find a way of getting the phone numbers from my account. Fetch an incoming, no, read multiple incoming number resources. This one. API to video accounts, incoming phone numbers. I can get friendly name. Look at that, friendly name. So I can search for numbers by friendly name. Alright, so this should be easy. Because the point is that when I have users, I'm going to save the friendly name is going to be the ID of the user. And then when the user requests the phone numbers, I am going to request the phone numbers to Twilio with their friendly name. So the verb is incoming phone numbers and incoming phone number SID. Nope. Incoming phone numbers here. Okay, / incoming phone numbers. Sweet. Alright, let's go to Twilio. And here let's do export const get phone numbers by name. And this will be the name, it will be a string. We're going to return account API get incoming phone numbers like this. Filters. Query string, okay. Here, friendly name. And the friendly name is going to be, let's just do Nomad Phone as a friendly name, alright? And let's make the other phone number also Nomad Phone. So I want to see if it works, because now I have both 3 numbers. Alright, let's do this one. I want to edit this one. And this one should be Nomad Phone as well. So if everything is in order, like I said, you need to remember this, very important. I am going to save the friendly name will be the username or the ID of my of the user. So then I can pull it with the friendly name. Okay, so let's try. Friendly name will be name, like this, very simple. Okay, cool. So here in my account, let's just pretend, okay, that the username is nomad phone. All right. So what we are going to try to do is to do try const data equals await Twilio, get phone numbers by name, and the name will be username. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna render the account, catch, error. Let's sync. All right, let's try this thing. Fuck. All right, looks like I get all the numbers, but I'm getting them in XML, which is shit. So I guess I have to do JSON like this. Yeah, here they are. Let's see how many phone numbers we have. 1 and 2. Cool. As you can see, there's only 2 of them, although in my account I have 3 phone numbers active, which is awesome. So happy. So it's working. If I just save the friendly name as the username, then I'm good to go. Let me put that as a note on my phone controller. By phone number, and here by phone number with username. Let's just make it anyways. Nomad phone. All right, and this will be by phone number, username, string, friendly name, username. Okay, and here in phone control, get the real username. Sweeto. All right, let's go here. Okay, what else should we do? You know what, let's do some planning here. So the user comes, first the user comes to the website. First time. Second, the user searches for numbers. Third, user chooses a number. Fourth, user confirms number. Confirms purchase. What else? User comes for the first time, user searches a number, user chooses the number, user confirms the number, user confirms the purchase of this number, and then the user can see, then that's it. That's like the first flow. Now when it's later, if here the user logs in, all right, then the user chooses the number. Here user logs in, and then user confirm. Wait 1 second. The user goes. Now the user chooses the number, user confirms the purchase, and then number is purchased. Number is purchased. And what else? Confirms purchase, number is purchased, gets redirected to account where the number is. And then I think that's it. Also, oh no, yeah, that's like the first flow. Now let's say that the user wants to fuck around with the number. The only thing he can do is delete the number, I guess. Like he rents it and then he will stop renting. So yeah, so it'll be okay. So this is first flow. This part is done, I think. Redirected to the account where the number is, where the purchased numbers are. All right, number is purchased, user confirms the purchase, logs in, chooses number. Okay, so this first flow is done. Now, existing user flow. User logs in. Goes to account. He can click on one number and he can get all the messages that have been sent to that number. Yeah, he can go to the inbox. Go to the inbox of that number. What else? But also, he can stop renting the number. Let's say that he wants to stop renting the number, so stops renting the number, and that's it. Existing user, delete number. Because he can also stop renting the number, right? The other one will be existing user, check inbox. So he logs in, goes to account. I think no, when he logs in, he gets redirected to account. He doesn't go, he's redirected. That's the only page we have. He logs in, he gets redirected to the account. What else? And then he can click on a number to see all messages. That's it. Check inbox. Now also existing user. No. And now then here, new message flow. 1. New message is sent to number. And then Twilio hits endpoint, which is our URL. And then we create new message on database, then send mail to the user, notification. Done. Alright, so what have we done? This done, 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 nope, done, done. Let's do this one. This is done. Stops renting the number. Okay. What happened with the music? Stops renting the number. Let's go to phone router. I want to do the same thing. The same with purchase. I'm going to do the same thing with release. If you want to purchase a number, like this, you're about to release the phone number, this one. Done. You know what? Let's do the same thing. Should we do the same template? We can make it better. And instead of fuck it. No, just this. Alright, so here are the numbers you have rented. We need to render. What? The numbers that I rented. What is the name? How does it look like? Like this. Data dot incoming phone numbers. So we need to paint this. Alright, now we need to paint the account with the numbers and the buttons that say that he might delete us. Account. Alright, these are the numbers that I bought. And what do I want to do? I want to delete them. What is the router? Slash release. What? What is this? Here are the numbers you have rented. Each number in numbers. Can't read preparative on the, but it's working. Like the template is working. Like what the fuck? You're about to release the phone number. You will stop getting messages to this number and you will be able to rent it back. The price of this number. Oops, we don't need to have this in release. What the fuck? There are two things. I think there are two things handling my account. My account. It looks like there are two routes handling the same thing. /release /rent country code phone number account. I know what it is. Account controller has two res render. That's the problem. That's why there was two res renders. This says that you cannot res render again. You cannot res render twice. That's what was happening. So everything here was okay. Stupid mistake. Let's see. All right. So these are the numbers I have. Cool. And you can release this phone number, and you will go to /release. This, you're about to release the phone number. Yes, you will stop getting messages to this number. Confirm. Now, if I click confirm, there is nothing happening in phone controller. But if confirmed, I need to find a way redirect account. And here to do flash message with deletion success. Let's try to find in the Twilio REST API how to delete an incoming phone number resource. Release this phone number from your account. Twilio will no longer answer calls to this number, and you will stop being billed the monthly phone number fee. The phone number will eventually be recycled and potentially be given to another customer, so use it with care. If you make a mistake, contact us. Alright, delete an incoming phone number. We need the phone number ID. That's kind of shit. We need the phone number ID. Okay, let's make the Twilio thing, and then later we're gonna release phone number. Is it accounts? Accounts, yeah, accounts. The path is delete incoming phone numbers. Now, how can we send that phone number? We need to be able to send this phone number, but we don't have that. I think when we paint the phone numbers, we need to pass the SID of that phone number. It's the only way, because it looks like I cannot delete. But I just don't want the user to see the SID. It's kind of insecure. Maybe I can just fetch an incoming phone number. Fetch incoming phone number. Get an incoming phone number. Yes, I think it's the best way. Create one? No. Get. Oh, everything is gated with the phone ID. Okay, so it looks like I have to, on my account, when I go to release the phone number like this, I need to send the ID. Yeah, I have to. And I have to do phone number dot SID. SID. Like this. So let's go. So clicking release phone number, and the phone number is here, and the phone number ID is here. And this is the one that I have to delete. I guess it works. Alright, so instead of only phone number in confirmed, also I need PID. PID. I want to see if it works. Confirm. PID. And the release confirm true. Alright, so here we need to delete by PID. So in Twilio, by PID, like this. Alright, let's try that. Alright, let's see. So here it is, and we're gonna get rid of the number 120 something. 120 something. Alright, let's go. Confirm. Deleting, and I should go to the. Alright, look at that. Yay, it works. Let's see. Alright, they logged me out. Fuckers. Yes, it works. Done. So I can release phone numbers. And here I have to make a flash message saying message with deletion success. Now this, of course, we have to try and catch. And here to do. They both took account, so it doesn't matter. Woohoo! Stop renting the number. Awesome. Now, which part doesn't require us to have a database? Let's come up with a fake endpoint to register an SMS. I just want to check the basic functionality, because what I promise is that you can buy a phone number in any country and you can get the messages in your inbox. So I don't want to do the database yet. I just want to check that everything that I promised can be done. Stop renting the number is finished, so we are going to Can I register one? No, I cannot register one thing. Oh, messages log. Let's see this. No messages. Let's see messages log. Because maybe I don't need to have a database of messages. Look at this. Here I can read multiple resources. When getting the list of all messages, result will be sorted on date sent field. You may also limit the list by providing the following query strings parameters. Messages to only show messages to this phone number. That's what I want, no? I want to only show messages to this phone number. But what is the answer of this? No, not create a message. Fetch message. Paging information. What is that? By pages? First page. Here we can just do this. Page size 50. The default is 50 and the maximum is 1000. Okay, I'm just gonna add this to my Twilio. Page size 1000. It looks like we maybe don't have to create a message on the database because Twilio will keep it for us. So we don't know. That's kind of interesting. Let's see Twilio logs. For how long do they keep them? Oh, your messages also stay for as long as you own the number. According to this evangelist there. So that means that if we delete the number, that person might lose the messages. I say as a backup, we should save them, because maybe it's good to get. I think it's better to keep the messages in our database. because if we stop owning the number, we will stop being able to see the number. But it doesn't. Wait, 1 second. Your messages will also stay for as long as you own the number. If I don't own the number, I cannot see the inbox of that number. No, fuck it. Let's do it with Twilio. We're gonna save so much time. So how is it here? Message resource, yes. By 2. Twilio accounts, okay. Alright, so I made the get number inbox controller, and I'm gonna change a little bit this because I don't want to have a spam. I want to have a anchor. No. This is just for starting, okay? No, fuck this. Looks ugly. Now the Wi-Fi shit the bed again. Working. Alright, we're almost there. We're getting the phone number inbox. The thing is that we need to check here later that the user actually owns that phone number. Okay, if the user doesn't own the phone number, then I'm not gonna get the phone number. This thing is pretty open. Like this Twilio API, account number get messages sent to this number is pretty fucking open, right? And it could be any number that is on my account, on the Nomad phone account, and that is not good. I wanna only check the inbox if the person actually owns that. So later on, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna check their user, and I'm gonna check if they own that phone number. Then I'm gonna let them check the thing. And in this case, I think we're gonna have no messages. Yeah, we don't have any messages because of course there's no messages there. Look at that. Messages. Yeah, it doesn't work. And page size has to be bigger than that. I forgot. Twice 1000. Page size 1000. Yeah. So as you can see right now, there are no messages. So let's try to send a bullshit messages. Send fake SMS. So we don't have to pay, but this thing sends SMSs to numbers. Sometimes they get catched in the spam, but still it works. I want to send messages to from pin code. What? Oh, bye? I need to buy a pin code. Okay. Fucking hell. Sent. Send anonymous SMS. Sent? Really? Let me see. What the fuck? Phone numbers, active numbers. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Hey, it doesn't look like it doesn't work. My computer's gonna die. Let me charge it. I don't think this thing worked. We'll see.
YouTube club, the freeze, everything. You have to do tomorrow. Don't forget, you go to mountain tomorrow 7.
Where's the phone charger?
It's mine.
Where's the one here?
No, it's mine.
Okay, can you give it?
No, it's mine. Find yours. Charge.
How much you have?
I need hotspot. So.
All right, let's see. Come on. No. Ah. What is the phone number? Oh, is the one I don't have? 760 9901. Yes, 760. Yes. Oh shit, not sent. Oh, incoming, sorry. Fuck, maybe it's there already. No, yeah. Why? I wonder if I can send SMS. Okay, I just sent a message with my phone. I don't know how much this will cost me, but plus 760 991 3517. Yeah. So I just sent it. It says it's sent. I'm gonna wait. If it doesn't show up here, then I am going to try to send one. I don't know why it takes so long. Alright, let's wait a little bit and see what's up. See you soon. Look, Twilio has this thing to test messages. They will cost you money, so don't use it too much, but I'm gonna send a message here from one of the phone numbers that I have purchased. I purchased this one a long time ago, and as you can see, this is a Nomad phone that we just bought. So I'm gonna send a message from this that I have to this one, and it will say I love you. And it should be all good. Make a request. Alright, request was successful. So now let's try to get the message. There we go, incoming, finally. So as you can see here, it says undelivered, error unknown. What is the error unknown? I love you. Message created, enqueued, and sent. I don't know what this error means. Oh, it's because the number doesn't have a webhook. Okay, so it worked. It just says that it couldn't get in, right? And it cost me this much money. From this number to this number. So it works. I think the problem with the other ones is that they're just very shitty, so they get filtered on spam, I think. Alright, but as you can see, it works, which is cool. So now let's try to come here. Phone numbers. Nomad phone. And now here the inbox should show me the message. So now if I refresh on the inbox, I should see the message here. Yeah, look at that message. One message, SID, they created. To, from, buddy, I love you. Alright, so let's show messages. Data.messages. Alright, so now we have messages in inbox. Message that from. Done. Alright, we're getting messages. That's sexy. Let's go to readme. Alright, the last thing we need to do, that I'm gonna do today, because I'm fucking tired, is I am going to let Twilio hit an endpoint, okay? Because I want to see how Twilio will notify me of this message, alright? Let's go. I forgot. I have to commit. I want to see what they give me. There is a new message. So it should be this Twilio slash what? New message. What? Twilio. Oh, post, no, get. Alright, so we got it here. Now I want to see request that body. I don't know what they will send me. request that body if it's a post. I have no idea. So now here I can do yarn tunnel. Okay, fuck you. Come on, don't be a pussy. Alright. Nervous duck. It looked like nervous dick, but no. Okay, here we are. Should work. Yay. Alright, so it should be Twilio slash, what is it? Twilio slash new message. Alright. Now I'm gonna send a message back again to this fella. So before that, let's do manage numbers, and I'm gonna register a Nomad phone. A call comes in, no, a message comes in. Send a web HTTP post to this. Save. Okay. Okay, let's go. We're gonna send a message. Endpoint testing. Let's go. Oh, it worked already. It hit it super quick. Endpoint testing working. All right, so look at what I get. I get request body. I get to country. I want to see what happens here. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Let's go active numbers. This one. Message log. Incoming. This one is received delivered. Awesome. Oh shit, there's two? I love you. Endpoint testing. There's two. What? There's two? Why? Outgoing API. Testing. To, from. I don't know, whatever. And it says it's delivered. Incoming, yes. I think it's delivered because I answered with a 200. This status 200 means that I received it. Delivered. Cool. All right. So this means that every time there is a new, every time there is a new phone number, a new message, to country, to state, SMS message ID, blah, 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 body, and from. All right. So I'm going to do nope. From number, from, and body, and where else? Is a timestamp? There is no timestamp. There is no date. Just now, I guess. Yeah. From the body. From request. And here to do send email to person with notification. Awesome. All right, we're almost done. Done. Twilio hits endpoint. This part done. And this part done. This not yet, and this not yet. Send mail to notification, not yet. But it's working, people. That means that everything that I promised on the first video will be able to happen. Good shit. Wow. Okay, small text on Markdown. All right, I freaking love this. So now, oh, what happened? Oh, nothing. I need to change Twilio when he buys a phone number here, friendly name, and I need to change to SMS the thing, no? Remember? He's gonna buy a phone number. Post. SMS method, post. Oh, by default is post, sorry. SMS URL here. So this one should be this one. But of course, I mean, that's the idea, right? So the SMS URL will be like to do real URL. I'm fucking tired, man. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's just go to Mailgun and send an email. No, my password was hacked. But okay, I have to change my password now. I have reset my password. And fuck me. Okay. And now I need to copy paste the new IP, the new key. So stop right there. Alright, I just copy pasted it. And now we can work with Mailgun, nodeJS. This looks very straightforward. domain also. My domain is, in this case the domain is bullshit domain, this one, it's a sandbox domain. And sandbox domains, they work only if you send them an email I'm gonna put this actually on my environment. Sandbox domains are good because you can send messages from that sandbox domain only to the email in your account. So I cannot, because this is not a public domain and I'm not paying yet, I cannot send emails to anybody, but I can send test emails only to myself using Mailgun. So on the future, when we release this thing, we will be able to send real messages to people. Okay, so that's done. And then let's make two variables, send mail, mail. And that will do client that messages that send, what? Messages that send data will be mail. Yeah, cool. All right, and now here it is when we'll be export const send new SMS mail. And this is, what is it? In the endpoint from embody. And this will be from my, let's say, Nomad phone. To, in this case, what we'll have to do here on the endpoint here, we will just send the email to the person. We will get the person, we will get the owner of that phone number. All right, and because we want also the two, no? Where is the body? Two, yeah, two. So a message will come to some phone number. We will get the user of that phone number, user's email of that phone number, and we will send a message from body and owner. That'll be a string. In this case, owner will be here, to owner. In this case, it's me. Alright, so we have a mail gun, it's done. Now here, I'm going to answer mail gun, send, finished, everything is okay, and here I'm gonna try catch and I'm gonna try to send a message. Send SMS. Actually, I don't have to do this at all. All right, from body to done. I don't even have to wait. I just want to try and catch. That's it. I don't even have to try either. I just can do this. I don't care. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come, the notification. All right, and there is a problem here. Oops, cannot find the thing. Mailcon. All right. So it should be working, and my tunnel is not working anymore. Let's start the tunnel again, and I'm gonna update the number, and I am gonna send a message. This stays here. So this is the new tunnel. No, fuck. Slash, fucking hell. Slash Twilio, slash new message. Alright, you have successfully blah blah blah. Alright, let's send this motherfucker. I just wanna console log. This will be on my email. Make request. What happened? From party to Unlucky Wolverine slash Twilio slash new message. Post. Slowly, slow. Why? What the fuck? Handshake error. I just got an email from Mailgun saying there was a problem with my HTTP. Why? There was a problem with the The tunnel is fucked up. We need a new tunnel, people. That's why. Okay, let's go to this one. All right, this one worked. I just got an email from Mailgun saying, like, hey, your phone's fucked up. Your message is fucked up. Okay, got it. Save. Come on. All right, and now we're gonna send one more time. Make request. Gmail. Let's go. Please work. Please work. All right, it works. Yes, this will be fuck. Okay, so it works, but sandbox subdomains are for test purposes only. Please add your own domain or add the address to authorized recipients. Fuck you. Okay, so now this is Melgon's fault. I have to come here. What? I need 5 minutes. I need 5 minutes. All right, let me just add real quick. Oh, okay, because I'm what? Nico. Yes, this should work. Oh my god, it's mail.com. It should be gmail.com. That's why it didn't work. All right, one more time, the last one, so we can go to sleep. Let's send it again. This will be on my email. Done. This will be on my email. No error. And here we go. Come on. What happened? Sent. Try. Send SMS from body 2. Maybe, is this on my spam folder? No, it's not on my spam folder. Fuck. What is the problem, Melgon? Why are you being a bitch? Logs. Oh, there is one message. Oh, rejected. Subdomains are for test purposes only. Please add your own domain or add the address to authorized recipients in account settings. Yes, that's what I just did. Oh, maybe this is the problem. Maybe this is the problem. IT Nico. Maybe that's the problem. Okay. That's why it doesn't work. One more time. I'm spending so much money here. Fuck, no, wait. Oh. And my tunnel just quit. Let me try to check something. I want to just do send mail from and I'm going to import this into the index. I want to test the messages before I do it again because it's a pain in the ass. I just want to test that the message works. Oh, it works. New message. La 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 la. It works. Look safe. It works. Awesome. So it does work. Okay. So it fucking works. H5. H5. Alright, so now it works. Okay, we need a new tunnel now. I don't know why the tunnel keeps shitting the bed. Oh, motherfucker. Almost there. Come on. Last push. Foolish Falcon. Okay. Phone numbers. Here we go. Foolish Falcon. Save. Bravo. Okay, let's send one phone number. This will be on my mail. Okay. This will be on my mail. Perfect. And woohoo! Look at it, it's here. You have a new message from this phone number. This will be on my mail. So it's working. Oh god, it's freaking working. The testing of this bitch is hard. And here we go. Yes! Bravo. Well done, everybody. Well done. If you made it at this point, I want you to know that I love you and that I want to meet you in person. Oh my god. Alright. We did a lot today. It was bullshit yesterday. Today it was beautiful. Wow. Alright, people. Oh my god, I will see you tomorrow or after tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna code next. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. And we fucking did it. Anywhere in the world means 12 countries, but it's working. See ya. Bye bye.